In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, a peculiar phenomenon has been puzzling residents and visitors alike for decades. Known as the Taos Hum, this mysterious low-frequency sound has been described as a persistent, maddening drone that only some people can hear. Despite numerous investigations, including a study commissioned by Congress in 1993, the source of the hum remains elusive. Theories range from mundane explanations like industrial equipment or power lines to more exotic possibilities such as underground alien bases or secret government experiments. Some researchers suggest it could be related to unusual geological formations or even a form of mass hysteria, while others propose it might be a heightened sensitivity in certain individuals. What's particularly intriguing is that only about 2% of Taos residents report hearing the hum, and those who do can't agree on its exact nature or origin. As the mystery of the Taos Hum continues, we're left to wonder, could it be a natural phenomenon we've yet to understand, or something far more extraordinary? What do you think could be behind this baffling sound? Subscribe to hear more fascinating stories of unexplained mysteries from around the world.